Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content on blockchain and cryptocurrency. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic that's crucial for understanding how blockchain technology operates, on-chain versus off-chain data. Grab a seat and let's unravel this together. Now, you might be wondering, what's the difference between on-chain and off-chain data? Why does it matter? And how does it affect your interactions with blockchain technology? Let's break it down. First up, let's discuss what we mean by on-chain data. On-chain data refers to information that is recorded directly on the blockchain. This data is immutable, meaning once it's added, it cannot be altered or deleted without consensus from the network. Think of it as a public ledger that everyone can access and verify. For example, when you make a transaction using Bitcoin, that transaction data, the sender, receiver, and amount gets recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain. This transaction is visible to anyone who has access to the blockchain, and it becomes a permanent part of the system. On-chain data is essential for maintaining transparency, security, and trust in decentralized networks. Now, let's look at some key characteristics of on-chain data: transparency, security, and immutability. Since all transactions are recorded on the blockchain, anyone can view them. This helps in building trust among users. The decentralized nature of blockchains means that data is secured across multiple nodes, making it nearly impossible to tamper with. Once data is written on the blockchain, it cannot be changed. This is crucial for maintaining accurate records. But on-chain data isn't without its drawbacks. For one, it can be slow and expensive to store large amounts of data on the blockchain. For example, Ethereum has faced network congestion, leading to high gas fees when users try to execute transactions or deploy smart contracts. This can limit the amount of data that is practical to keep on-chain. Now, let's transition to off-chain data. Off-chain data refers to information that is kept outside of the blockchain. This data is not recorded on the blockchain but can still interact with it. Off-chain solutions are often used to enhance scalability and efficiency in blockchain applications. For instance, let's consider a popular off-chain data application, the Lightning Network for Bitcoin. The Lightning Network allows for faster, lower-cost transactions by conducting transactions off the main Bitcoin blockchain. Here's how it works. Two parties can create a private channel to conduct multiple transactions without recording each one on the blockchain. Once they're done, they can settle the final balance on-chain. This drastically reduces the number of transactions processed on the Bitcoin blockchain, alleviating congestion and lowering fees. The Lightning Network boasts payment speeds measured in milliseconds to seconds and is capable of handling millions to billions of transactions per second across its network. Now, here are some characteristics of off-chain data: scalability, cost-effective, and flexibility. Off-chain solutions can handle significantly more transactions than on-chain, making them ideal for applications that require high throughput. Storing data off-chain can be more economical. With traditional blockchain networks, every transaction incurs a fee. Off-chain transactions can minimize these costs. Off-chain data can be more easily updated or altered, which can be advantageous in certain applications. However, off-chain data also has its challenges. The primary concern is trust. Since off-chain data isn't recorded on the blockchain, it can be harder to verify its accuracy. This can lead to issues with transparency and security, as users must rely on external systems to manage and verify this data. To summarize, on-chain data is vital for maintaining security and transparency within blockchain systems, while off-chain data provides scalability and flexibility for applications that need them. Both methods have their unique advantages and challenges, and the choice between on-chain and off-chain often depends on the specific use case. Let's illustrate this with a real-world example. Imagine a supply chain management system. If all transaction data, from the source of raw materials to the delivery of the final product, were stored on-chain, it would provide a transparent and immutable record. However, the volume of data generated could lead to high costs and slow processing times. Instead, using off-chain data for tracking logistics, such as shipping routes and delivery times, while keeping key transactions on-chain can strike a balance between transparency and efficiency. There you have it. Understanding the differences between on-chain and off-chain data is crucial for navigating the rapidly evolving world of blockchain technology. On-chain data ensures transparency and security, while off-chain data offers scalability and flexibility. As you explore blockchain applications, keeping these distinctions in mind will help you make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this knowledge. Also, let us know in the comments what other blockchain topics you'd like us to cover. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.